Hey YouTube, this is Shannon from Backyard Homestead. I'm here in my chicken coop trying to install the chicken nipples from last year. I have 3 chickens, so I have 2 nipples. And they're being held on by curtain rod holders, some wood with some basic wire. I was going to cut the PVC to go through here, but since this was from my last coop, it's a little long, but it does fit through the door space for now. And then on the outside here, I have my blue 5-gallon bucket and with an attached hose nozzle, and then I have a hose. I'm hoping this is going to work. Like I said, it was last year's setup. I may have to tweak it a bit, but I think the weight of the hose and me not bolting down that one thing might be an issue. And I think my hose is too long. The hose goes all the way to the ground and then up. I have a shorter hose, but the connections aren't really good. So let's turn it on. And we are open. I don't think it's going to be able to get the water to go. Yeah, I think the hose is too long. Well, let's see if the chickens can drink from it. I saw a drip. Okay, look at that. They remembered. They remembered. So I just need to get a hose now, my shorter hose, and hey there, get that attached, fix up the end, so I will be right back. Okay, got my other hose, so we'll see if we can change it out. Now, my connection is not straight, and I don't know why. I tried to get it to go on right, but I think I got the wrong size PVC pipe or something. Okay, well this hose seems to want to work. Let's turn the bucket. Okay. And then come around. Yeah, I don't like the way that's facing, but I can tweak it later. This is my problem. I have to get the, yeah. Maybe I should do the cut myself on that sharp connector there. Oh, can you see what I'm doing? No, of course not. Only on YouTube. All right. Okay. My chickens are probably thinking, well, what the heck is she doing? Trying to connect the end to the bucket. and I'm anticipating lots of leaks. Oh yeah, check out that leak right there. What a leak. And that is where I thought I would have a problem. I don't think the threads are the right one. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. But, you know, that's a quick fix. I'll have to run to the hardware store and grab some more PVC or something. But I think that hose is going to be a little bit better suited, and they will have their water outside. Then I can turn off the water heater on the inside for now. So thanks for watching. Alright, YouTube, so got a little bit of leakage going on there, but I did go down to the hardware store, and that's all I needed, that one little bracket. So now it works. Got that all hooked up, 2 nipples. Yeah, looks good. So one more project down. Oh, here comes the... What are they doing? Chicken World. Huh? Yep. You gonna use it? Here we go. Perfect. Have a good night, YouTube.